Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of the square root of 1 plus e to the power of s ds. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution. We put about u equals for the square root. Later that we put the square in the both sides. So we need to find the value e to the power of s equal to u square minus 1. Later that we do first the derivative in the both sides for this one. So we got about 2u du equal to e to the power of s ds. Because we don't have e to the power of s in here, so we divide both sides with e to the power of s. And we know that e to the power of s equal to u square minus 1. Now we need to change the integral. The square root is about u, the s is about this one. We put number 2 outside the integral. So we got about u square du, and we have u square minus 1. Next, we put negative number 1, then we need to add number 1 in here. So now we have two integrals in here. The first one, u square minus 1 divide u square minus 1, you got about number 1. And we have 1 over u square minus 1 du. U square minus 1, we put about u minus 1 multiply with u plus 1. In here, we need to put about u minus 1 minus u plus 1. Negative number 1, you will go about negative 1 over 2. Next, u minus 1 divide u minus 1, you will go about 1 over u plus 1. U plus 1 divide u plus 1, you will go about 1 over u minus 1. So we have number 2 multiply number 1 and 1 over 2. Because we have the negatives, this one we have the negative, so you go about positive. Now we can get the final answer. The integral of number 2 is about 2u. The integral of du over u plus 1 is about ln of absolute value of u plus 1. The integral of du over u minus 1 is about ln of absolute value of u minus 1. And we put about c is about constant. About u, we need to put back for this one. And that's it, the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.